Hello everyone, may bago na naman tayong titingnan. Ito po ang EMB Memorandum Circular 2022-06. Ang subject nito, amended project threshold for resorts and other tourism or leisure projects, securing an environmental compliance certificate, ACC. So kapag ang project natin makonsider na resort or other tourism or leisure project, titingnan po yung guideline na ito at lalong-lalo to determine kung required ba ng environmental compliance certificate from EMB ang ating proposed project. Now, lagi namang tinitingnan kung ano ang kategory ng isang project at kapag pumasok ito sa Category A, Category B, required ang project na ito ng ACC at yung mga Category D na type of project, ang hinahanap lang ay Certificate of Non-Coverage or CNC. So dito sa Memorandum Circular 2022-06, ang ating basis sa anumang threshold ng resort or other tourism or leisure project to determine kung mag apply ba ng environmental compliance certificate or hindi. So dito, unang-una sinabi dito, resort project, walang AIS or Category A sa ganitong project. Merong mga Category B na project at based ito doon sa kanyang threshold. Tingnan natin yung category B na 10 rooms to 199 rooms. Ibig sabihin nito, category B ang resort project or total or gross floor area greater than or equal to 0.1 hectare. Ibig sabihin 1,000 square meter but less than 5 hectares. So, ibig sabihin, category B project requiring ECC, pero pwedeng online lang application using the IEE checklist. Now, kapag ang resort project ay 200 rooms and above, or total or gross floor area greater than or equal to 5 hectares. Category B pa rin ang project pero ang hihingin ng type of EIA report ay EIS, Environmental Impact Statement. Now, doon sa mga lodging or homestay only with less than 10 bedrooms at saka total or gross floor area project footprint of less than 0.1 hectare or 1,000 square meter ay category D at kinakailangan lang ng CNC, hindi na kailangan ng ECC. Merong sinasambit pagdating sa 10 bedrooms na ibig sabihin din meron tayong maximum capacity of 50 person. Yeah, so kung more than 50 persons ka na, lalagpas ka na sigurado sa 10 bedrooms. Now, doon sa other tourism or leisure project, kapag pinagbasihan lamang yung area ng ino-occupy na lupa, o meron ding tinatawag tayong total or gross floor area greater than or equal to 0.1 hectare but less than 5 hectares. Kung hindi makikita doon sa rooms, kundi doon lamang sa ah, total or gross floor area. So yung lot area, yung building footprint, yung mga open spaces, parking area, storage area, yung total nun, if it is greater than or equal to 0.1 hectare but less than 5 hectare, category B yung project na yon at kailangan ng ECC, pwede mag-apply through online. Kapag naman less than 0.1 hectare, So meron tayong Category D project, pwedeng mag-secure ng Certificate of Non-Coverage. So it's either we apply for ECC or CNC sa ating proposed project na resort and other tourism or leisure project. So paano mag-determine nung rooms? Di doon sa ating mga site or floor plan, makikita natin yung ating mga bilang ng rooms. Ganun din, paano naman yung sa total or gross floor area? Kung magbe-breakdown ka ng mga areas like yung ating building area, yung open spaces, parking area, storage area, lahat ng areas sa yung ah, site. Kung i-breakdown mo, lalampas ba to ng 0.1 hectare? Ibig sabihin 1,000 square meter pataas. If more than 1,000 square meter or 0.1 hectare, masasubject na yung resort or other tourism or leisure project natin to ECC requirements. So itong ating na pinag-uusapan ngayon, Memorandum Circular 2022-06, at ito nga yung project threshold for resorts and other tourism or leisure project. Dati kasi, nakadepende lang sa area. Like, kapag 0.1 hectare pababa, CNC. Pag equal or greater than 0.1 hectare or 1,000 square meter pataas, required ka ng ECC. Ngayon, isinali na yung rooms, yung rooms at yung pagkakakilanlan pa kapag 10 rooms to 199. Sabihin na rin natin 10 rooms and above. So less than 10 rooms, pwede nang masabi natin na CNC na lamang. Especially yung lodging or homestay only. Yan. So that is the amended project threshold, at kung may katanungan kayo na malalim pa dito, we can consult sa EMB, Environmental Management Bureau, particularly Regional Office, para sa ating mga inquiry kung ano ang confusion natin dito sa ating project description. So ito ay signed ni Engineer William P. Cunyado, the former director ng EMB, dated June 28, 2022, yung ating memorandum circular. So I hope you have learned something about the project threshold for resort and other tourism or leisure projects securing an environmental compliance certificate. Thank you very much for time listening. And if you think na nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, please share, please like this video. And you are also encouraged to ask question below. Thank you very much and God bless us all.